Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to withdraw USDT from Binance to your bank account. This will be a complete tutorial, so make sure you watch this till the end. So withdrawing is very straightforward process that involves very methods and steps here. Make sure you watch this. First of all, you have to log in into your account. So I have already logged in into my account, and once you logged in, navigate to the wallet section. So here we have to go to the wallet section here, which is here. As you can see here on the top right, you will get this option of wallet section. Now we have to just go and click on it, and we have to go to this option of fiat and spot. So this is a spot here, so let's just go and click on it to view your available balance. So I have nothing right now, so that's why it's showing zero, but in your case it would be something else if you there's a, if any balance is available. Since many banks do not accept direct USDT deposit, you may need to convert your USDT to your local fiat currency. For example, from let's say you have Bitcoin, you have to convert it to US dollar if you're living in US. So click on trade and select our trading pair here, right? So here you can see there's a different kind of option, trading and everything. So you can also do it from here. There's a trade option. So I want to do with a spot here. So I'll just go and click on spot, right? With the local currency. So make sure you have selected USDT and execute a market order or limit order to sell your USDT to fiat currency. So here you have to sell it, right? This is really important. And once you sell it, for example, this is the price of BTC to USDT, right? And once I've sell it, you would have received in the withdrawal options after converting. Return to your wallet section and click on withdrawal. So this is a wallet section. Now here we have to just go and click on withdrawal section. So I don't have any withdrawal option right now because I have nothing. There's a no USDT, there's no crypto in my account. So we have to just go to the withdrawal section. We can also go it from the deposit section too, right? And select the fiat currency you now have, right? So let's say I will just go from here, and then we will just go to the account, right? And there's option of payment. So input the amount you wish to withdraw and select your bank account as the destination for the funds, but you have to make sure add a payment method here, right? So then only you will able to withdraw. Now review all this information carefully, including transaction fees and everything, right? And after entering all the necessary details, confirm the withdrawal. You may need to complete additional security verification such as entering codes sent to your email or phone, right? So this is it. Now just wait for 1 to 2 days. Keep an eye on the email for any confirmation messages, and you will receive and you will get an update from Binance regarding your transaction status. Thanks for watching this video. If you need any help, let us know in the comment box. Subscribe.